David, Hison, Locsin, Apape, goal!
Hindi pa pwede yung lineup ni Chot Reyes. Tatambakan ng Ginebra. They'll just run them down to the ground.
5 minutes and 15 to go. Nasa second quarter po tayo.
Oh, yes! Alam mo, Hison coming off the bench. Agaw na, unti ka naman naagawan. Locsin is gonna take it strong. May foul pa.
Sheer power.
Well, alam mo, kilala natin maglaro si Locsin, and this is what Locsin is all about, no? Hindi yung kanyang mga laro in the last few games of the elimination round.
So, binibigyan ng screen ni Locsin. Hison on the run. Oh, yes! He has a mean look at the hoop tonight.
Yan, meron ka rin sinasabi sa atin na clean living gets you good things.
Yes.
Kung bad living ka katulad ni Willie,
wala.
bad results.
Volleyball. Hison with the lead pass to David. David is up and gone. Plus a ball.
Yun ang unang basket ni Val David. Ito talagang halos iabot na niya yung banda na yun dahil alam niya hindi pumapasok ang kanyang tira. Ayaw naman niyang hindi na pagbigyan si Hison na binigyan siya ng magandang pasa. Ito halos iabot na niya yung banda na yun, no? Gets the foul from behind. Si Mayor Jinggoy as you see this steal by Val David. Sabi sa'yo, I don't see a point guard. Maagawan talaga yan. But David, a little bit off with those shots. A little bit tentative, no? Uy, traveling. Yun ang wala kang point guard, De La Rosa can't bring the ball down. Neither can Santos, no? It's an impossible thing to ask of these two players to do it for you all of a sudden.
Okay, you were just in time to catch that miscue by Pure Foods. Also, you caught the entry of Val David to replace Pido Carancio, all part and parcel sa pagsisimula ng ating second quarter.
Yan ang rotation ng kanyang substitution, especially Pido plays well, then he lets him play the whole quarter. Ang dalawang player pa lang na hindi napapalit dyan, si Marlo Aquino at saka yung import. On the other hand, yung Pure Foods medyo marami ng balasa except for Alvin and Jerry, no?
Alvin, pinadala kay Lindo Pumaren. Jerry is trying to gain better position against Locsin. Oh, good slide in by Glenn Capascio.
Isa na lamang ang laman dito ng Ginebra San Miguel on that shot by Glenn Capascio. Minute gone by dito sa second quarter of play. Val David calling the play.
And Pure Foods had a lead of as much as 7 points. On the other hand, Ginebra a lead of as big as 5. Loose ball. And he's clean off na ni Glenn Capascio, si Noli Locsin. Pumaren, rushing. Glenn Capascio, tinanggap. Glenn Capascio driving hard and delivering on that try, and Pure Foods back on top.
Back-to-back baskets by Glenn Capascio, made by movements by the player, no? Hindi yung play, ayan ang drive ni Hison pero hindi pumasok. Last touch, however, against the Hot Dogs, naiiling na lang si Jerry with a small smile of his.
Pati coaching staff ng Pure Foods naiiling na rin.
Pero I don't think they protested that vehemently. I mean, I think alam naman ni Del Leon kung ano nangyari doon. Nakita naman niya. He was right underneath the basket. Hison, long three.
It's a weapon
that Ginebra's had always through the years.
Through the years.
Maybe one of the best three-point shooting teams ever.
Kasi naman as Glenn Capascio gets 6 in a row.
But somebody's got to put a defense on Glenn Capascio. Yan ang sinasabi natin, a guy that doesn't really play well, no? I mean, pero pag sumasabig si Glenn, usually nananalo sila.
And Capascio has an average of 4.2 points. You know, that's absolutely correct, Dr. J. Pag yan si Glenn Capascio gets his string of baskets together, usually it's good news para sa kupunan ng Pure Foods.
Tsaka hindi rin humihinto yan, no?
Yes. Tabla po tayo sa 32, 9:22 remaining. We are in quarter number 2.
James has been quiet for quite a while now. Ooh, 3-second violation called against Noli Locsin or Aquino. Si Commissioner Jun Bernardino nanonood ng laro. Sino kaya kausap nito?
Baka si Ricky Santos nga, yung kanyang Man Friday, ang assistant niya. Jerry with the penetration, and there's going to be a foul against Noli Locsin.
In a way, if I were Pure Foods, I would go to Cordillera at the low post. Not because Locsin cannot guard him bodily, but the height advantage is there. And if Ginebra refuses to double team, then I would like to go to that matchup. No? Tingin ko medyo may advantage si Jerry sa opensa dyan.
We'd just like to inform you of some very, very significant news because this did affect Alaska for a while, and although they won the game earlier, they played without an import, Dr. J. Derek Hamilton has been found positive of the second testing for drug use. So the word we have, as we got it from Anthony Sintay, mukhang si Sean Chambers is on his way to make the change. Hindi na walang fine doon ng Alaska for not playing with an import.
No, because it's not of their own volition that they wanted that to happen. Pure Foods also expected that. That's why they bought in Gervin before they waited for the second test, which was supposed to come in on a Tuesday. May game sila sa Tuesday. Kaya nag-isip na silang, magdadala na kami, hindi ba? Kalukuhan na baka bigla kami hindi palaruin na walang import.
And the tank found the opening. We are tied at 34. 6th time for us to be equalized as far as our score is concerned.
8 minutes and 50 seconds.
Yan ang aking sana sasabihin. Sabi nga ni Joe Candadano, you took the words right out of my mouth, Dr. James. Uy, grabe yung bakbakan na sa loob, ha? Hindi na biro ito.
And 2 matchups there na dinaanan na ni Jerry Cordillera si Noli Locsin. He just missed an easy layup pero nagkaroon ng follow-up. But again, they're going to that matchup almost exclusively now here in the second quarter.
Now, Pure Foods trying to wreck the offensive set of Ginebra by bringing up the defense. James Libre, ayaw. He has missed his last 3.
When he's cold, he's also cold.
Yes, indeed.
This guy is hot.
Just didn't make it. Touched last by Hisa.
Gervin doing a good job at the rebounding on the offensive end.
At mukhang maganda pa pwesto no?
Stamina lang talaga. You can see him breathing hard again despite getting a lot of rest already on the bench.
8 minutes and 2 seconds to play. We have a blocking foul. Count that as the second personal foul ni Noli Locsin. Samantala mga kaibigan, huwag niyo pong kakaligtaan na pagkatapos ng isang baksyong PBA Second Conference game na inyong pinapanood, magpapatuloy ang mas marami pang aksyon sa isang pelikulang tungkol sa isang veteranong detective laban sa isang grupo ng mga high-powered goons sa Private War, Sunday's Big Showdown spectacular feature tonight, alas 10 ng gabi dito sa Free TV. Ngayong gabi. That won't work.
But Pure Foods does have a 3-point lead right now. Si Marlo Aquino medyo nagpapapalit yata Huli.
Reading that pass clearly. Glenn Capascio draws it in closer. Very aggressive, but just missed the shot. Locsin with the lead pass to James, who's 2 lengths ahead, but is fouled hard.
That was a hard foul, De La Rosa really had no chance at being able to catch him dahil 2 steps ahead na si Gervin. Kaya si Gervin, in the States, alam nila, usually ito, wala nang pumafoul ng ganito That's why you always see guys like Scottie Pippen dunking. Baka dito, they might not dunk. Dangerous.
Samantala, James taking care of the first free throw. EJ File is back in the ball game. Marlo Aquino uupo muna. Time remaining 7:37 po.
Well, this rookie has really been pushed this year, and he has almost accepted the challenge that was expected of him to become one of the better players and big stars of the PBA. James really been off here. Yung medyo after yung first jump shot niya, saka yung 3-point shot niya, na off na kanya shooting.
Lumamig. Jerry with a graceful glide. Saka gusto palagay ko yung kay James, ano, he scores off energy eh. Kailangan mag-pump up yung laro ng Ginebra for him to really
They should screen more for him.
Yes, good
instead
point.
of trying to get him at low post.
But he has other ideas, Dr. J. A big one, number 2 by Hison. Sumatotal ng 6 points para kay Vince Hison. 6:59 left. Ball batted away. Stays with Pure Foods. Samantala, huwag niyong kakaligtaan na mamaya sa ating halftime feature sa mga nakakamiss na kay Ato Agustin ng Sunkist. Well, nakita-kita kayo ni Ato Agustin sapagkat siya ang ating PBA mailbox guest sa halftime. Oh, Glenn Capasio, 3 misses of inside shots.
Medyo lumabas naman yun. Lusot na lusot siya sa kanyang bumabantay. Locsin is gonna take it strong. May foul pa.
Sheer power.
Well, alam mo, kilala natin maglaro si Locsin, and this is what Locsin is all about. No? Hindi yung kanyang mga laro in the last few games of the elimination round. Nakita mo, nakatape pa ang kanyang kaliwang kamay because he has a pair there, but the guy is playing with a lot of courage. That's it eh.
Sabi nga sa atin ni Rino Salazar kanina, buti nga daw hindi yung shooting hand talagang
But you always need your left hand
Oh,
also
yes.
because you have to guide the ball.
pamporma no?
Pero katulad, sabi ko nga, si Ramon Fernandez naglaro sa akin, may fracture. Eh, yung ibang player na matatapang will play. Others who will not, well,
Opo.
ayaw nila eh. Pero tough players will play.
Baldavid, dikit na dikit. Unang foul ni Bal. Ang ating bilang sa team fouls, ang TJ Hotdogs ay nakakolekta na ng 3. Samantala, ang Ginebra tinawagan ng ganun din karami. 3. 36 na lang po ang nalalabi dito sa ating second quarter.
Well, literally a second team for Pure Foods with Romel Santos, Brian Punsalan, si Ruben De La Rosa, at saka si Capasio plus their import. Pero the import hits that 20-footer.
41 all. Dikitan. Tabla tayo sa 32, 34. Ngayon sa 41. Deadlock number 7. Narito si Hison. Binibigyan ng screen ni Locsin. Hison on the run. Oh, yes! He has a mean look at the hoop tonight.
Yan ang meron ka rin sinasabi sa atin na clean living gets you good things.
Yes.
Kung bad living ka katulad ni Willie,
Wala.
bad results. Hison with a very determined look on his face, no? Narinig niya yung whistle ng referee and he went for all the marbles with a jump shot, so he finishes off the 3-point play.
So, an excellent scoring pace for Hison.
He took his time, hindi siya nag-apura eh.
Sabit si Ruben De La Rosa.
May nakalimot kay Ruben De La Rosa sa liit ng lineup ni Coach Chot Reyes nasa loob. Sinasabi ni Pal, sino bababantayan ko rito? Sabi ni Locsin, sino bababantayan ko rito? Nawala na si Jerry, nawala si Alvin. Medyo nagkagulo sila sa kanilang mga tao-tao. De La Rosa usually conduct that kind of a play. Pero the PBA, sinasalubong siya ng mga Giants, no?
Yes.
He makes the free throw, however.
So, nagdagdag ng konting ceiling si Chot Reyes. Binalik niya si Alvin Patrimonio. Baba muna si number 12, si Glenn Capasio. Ang Ginebra po ay lamang ng 2. 44-42. 6 minutes, 8 seconds na lang po.
Very interesting lineup na para kay Chot. Sino maglalaro ng point guard? That's gonna be nullified. That's jump ball or nullified. Well, ang nangyari is Brian Pusalan went in. Medyo napaangat ng konti si Henry James. Automatically, late violation, jump ball. Sabi ni file kay James, hey, anybody can go there. Hey, sabi ni James, yeah, you go there. You're 7 foot. You take care of him.
Trabaho mo yan, kaka.
Pero magugulat ka sa katulad na sinabi ko, sino maglalaro ng point guard para sa Pure Foods? Si De La Rosa
O si Santos.
Parehong hindi mga point guard siya. O the import, maybe.
Lipad ng lipad si De La Rosa. Patrimonio, may kalakasan pero have a good line. Here's David across the timeline. Sees an opening block. Slash time! Up and up! Battle for the rebound. All 7 feet of File getting in that basketball. going to take a break here. At timeout by Chot Reyes.
Get ready out there in the stands, ladies and gentlemen.
We only have 5 minutes and 43 seconds left in our second period as Ginebra and Pure Foods meet here in our main game tonight on the Sunday special here on VTV Primetime Network. Punsalan with the personal. Oh, penalty.
Yeah, medyo mahirap ang ginawa ni Punsalan. Hinahawakan niya si James so that James could not use the screen to come and get the pass at the top of the foul circle para sa jump shot niya. But being penalized, that will mean 2 free throws for Henry James, who has not really had a good scoring evening. Pero alam mo, they are really a better team if he does not have to pump in all those points. No? Nakikita mo nagkakaroon ng teamwork.
Mr. and Mrs. Robert Aventejado. Mr. Aventejado is a chief advisor to Vice President Estrada. Lovely wife is Kinet. Welcome to the Kinet Astrodome.
Well, alam naman natin si Mayor Jinggoy as you see this steal by Baldavid. Sabi sa'yo, I don't see a point guard. Maagawan talaga yan. But David, a little bit off with those shots. A little bit tentative, no? Uy, traveling. Yun ang wala kang point guard eh. De La Rosa can't bring the ball down. Neither can Santos. No, it's an impossible thing to ask of these two players to do it for you all of a sudden.
46-42. Ginebra is in front with 5 minutes and 15 to go. Nasa second quarter po tayo.
Oh, yes! Alam mo, Hison coming off the bench. Agaw na, unti ka naman naagawan, no?
She's happy. 11 points for Hison. Alvin, no reply. Rebound, James. He's helping there. He has 6 off the board. David, Hison, looks in, up, and goal!
Hindi pa pwede yung lineup ni Chot Reyes. Tatambakan ng Ginebra. They'll just run them down to the ground, no?
And the Ginebra rampage is on. Pure Foods needs a timeout to put water on this fire. We'll be back. Nolly looks in with a bonus shot. Punsalan had that foul, and now it's a 9-point lead for Ginebra, the biggest of the game.
Well, nagkaroon ng palitan dito. Rosella came in for De La Rosa, and you also have Evangelista coming into the ball game. Ang ganda naman ng depensa ni Hison, swiping that ball away from Santos, who had been able to use the screen.
Time down to 4 minutes and 43. Dito po tayo sa ating second quarter. Evangelista ang tumanggap. Rosella up against David. Gervin.
Parang nakakasa pag tumitira si Gervin.
Yes.
Ganun, eh. Kitang-kita mo papasok. Finally stops that silence. No? And, Pure Foods used 2 timeouts in this quarter, but they needed that second one very badly.
Baldavid. Slide in by Locsin. Bahagyang naipit. Tinaas. Hindi pumasok. Narito si Rosella. Slows it down. No chance for a break. Santos, quick turn. Malakas. Rebound. Santos.
Kanya pa rin, no?
Yes, Rodney Santos hard at work. Samantala, Gervin says, let's not force it. Here's Gervin up against James. Shot clock nasa G's. Foul. Offensive foul.
Huli eh. Bigla nakita niya isang 7-footer sa harap niya. Gumamit na ng kaliwang kamay para mag-ward off. You're gonna see that here. Here comes the 7-footer. Ward him off, you know. Get him out of the way. And he got caught for that. He knew it.
(51-44). Fine wants a bucket.
And he gets it easy, no?
Apwesto eh.
Kaya sabi nga siguro ni Alvin, kung di niyo ko tutulungan, I will only be able to offer resistance up to a certain point. No? I'm not gonna be able to climb his back if I get him to block his shot.
And now Baldavid gives Ginebra its 15th foul. Dalawa na kay Baldavid. Magkakaroon ng pagbabago sa lineup. Ravena, who started out for Chot Reyes, balik sa floor. Labas si Santos.
Ravena certainly played very well there in the first quarter.
Had 7 points.
Nakikinig tayo dun sa Parker kung anong sinasabi niya.
That won't work. Nakuha ni Rosella. Chance to reset. Evangelista. Pasa niya. Nabasa ng Ginebra. Narito si Locsin. Changing directions. David! No!
Kanina pa tentative si David, ha?
Durbin goes through his fingers. Ginebra San Miguel will utilize a timeout at the 2:56 mark. You're back with us here. 53-44 ang ating bilang. Lamang ang Ginebra San Miguel ng 9. Ang natitirang oras, 2 minutes, 44 na lang po. David, binigay kay James. James aching for a field goal. File and James helping each other out. That's no problem.
James is really comfortable with his teammates right now, no? Ito na naman, nakakalimutan na naman nila kung sino babantay kay Ravena. He gets the easy 2 points, no?
Nakalikod sa bola yung mga Ginebra players.
Slow motion kasi ang mga balik nila na after they had made the shot, and certainly that's not the way to play the defense. Balik na naman sila doon, and Alvin taps it from behind.
Rosella, Ravena. Ravena pulls up swiftly. Ayaw. James. David. Naipit. Managed to wiggle out. Tison. Locsin. Ayaw ipilit. James pulls the trigger. Bang! Triple B!
Muntik pa nga nahulog yata yung pantalon niya ron. Nakita mo, he was building up his Carter very quickly. Biglang 12 na kaagad ang lamang ng Ginebra in this quarter. It has been so close, no?
Yes, kumapla tayo sa 41 eh. Last tie natin yon. Alvin, offensive foul!
Everything is going against the Purefoods Hot Dogs there. They tried an experimental lineup somewhere along this quarter, and you see this offensive foul called against the captain. Hindi naman umaangal si Alvin. Of course, he doesn't like what happened because he was going strong to the basket. Pag ilang foul ni Alvin niya? Pangatlo?
Patrimonio. Pangatlo.
And Jerry has been seated down for quite a while right now.
Turn around.
This time.
Casella finding room but no basket. Tison playing volleyball. Tison with the lead pass to David. David is up and gone! Plus a foul!
Yun ang unang basket ni Baldavid. Ito talagang halos iabot na niya yung banda na yun dahil alam niya hindi pumapasok ang kanyang tira. Ayaw naman niyang hindi na pagbigyan si Ison na binigyan siya ng magandang pasa. Ito halos iabot na niya yung banda na yun, no? Gets the foul from behind.
Ravena with 3 personal fouls, and the TJ Hot Dogs carry 8 team fouls.
The Hot Dogs are really beginning to collapse in this quarter, no?
David completes the 3-point play. It's a 15-point lead.
You are correct. Baka nagulat kasi, no? Bigla na lang 15, no? Dikit na dikit itong laro kanina, no?
Hindi, Dr. G, check yung math mo.
No, walang problema yun.
Turnaround shot.
Captain hanging in there. And you know, we have about 3 more plays coming up before the end of this first half. You gotta hang in there.
Narito si Locsin, penetrates, and those barreling drives have been unstoppable.
Yeah, they're killing Purefoods with those drives on the inside.
Ravena sets for the triple.
Yeah, that went in. So, yun ang pangalawang play. Ito na naman, takbo na naman.
12 points by Ravena in this first half. Far surprised by the pass, but it was difficult to catch. Alvin.
Yes.
A 4-point swing, cuts down the lead to 10.
Apat na play pa pala nangyari sa pilis na nila maglaro eh.
Tison in a rush.
Offensive foul. 5 play pa mangyayari para sa atin.
Ginebra not using some time here.
Yeah, well, They had momentum eh. Siguro tingin nila, sige kung kaya natin dagdagan ng
Oo,
lamang.
nga
Yung
naman,
Pure
oo,
Foods
nga
naman, dahan-dahan, they stayed in there. Yan ang sinasabi natin.
Kasi yung baskets nila came off drives eh. Quezon.
At the end of the second quarter.
Ginebra is on top by 10 at the end of 24 minutes. Anto Agustin will be our special guest in our PBA mailbox. And Dr. J and I will be back to break down this first half. Stay tuned.